Hey, Spinks from QuietKat here with another tip and trick video for you. And we're going to talk about how to descend or head down super steep hills. As you can see behind me, we've got a bunch of really steep faces, a bunch of different trails we can practice on. And I'm going to take you through a couple different things that you want to keep in mind when going downhill. The first thing to remember when heading downhill is to make sure that your eyes and your head are up and you're looking ahead so that you can see what's coming. It's always best to be looking ahead rather than straight down at the wheels so you can anticipate what's coming next in case you need to steer out of the way, brake, or let go of the brakes to keep on rolling. The second thing to do is before you start heading downhill, you want to switch over into eco mode by holding the plus button until you see eco and green on your display. While you're in eco mode, go ahead and push the down button and go down to levels 1 or 2. That way, if you do have to pedal, you don't get a sudden jolt of power that could cause you to lose control. The next thing you want to think about is body position. You want to make sure that your hands are nice and comfortable on the handlebars. Make sure your back is straight, you're looking ahead. Some people like to be on the saddle, some people like to be stood up a little bit. Whatever's more comfortable for you is just fine. Key thing to remember is you want to keep the center of your body mass as low as possible, either down on the seat or sometimes a little bit behind the seat, just so that you can get in a nice balanced position if the hill gets too steep. Make sure that you're keeping your feet flat at that 9 and 3 position. We definitely don't want to have our feet at 6 and 12 because that one pedal being low to the ground could strike a rock, which could cause you to lose control. So quick review. Keep your head up, switch down to eco mode in power level 2 or 3, keep your body mass low, and make sure that we use both brakes. We want to use the right, which is the rear, to control, and we want to use the left hand brake, which is the front, to add additional power. Just make sure when we start turning, we release the front brake to allow that wheel to flow smoothly. So those are some good tricks for descending super steep hills. If you have any other questions, feel free to drop a comment below. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you out on the trail.